Hello everyone. See, today I had made this plane launcher. Hydraulic plane launcher. This is made by Smartivity. To make this plane launcher, we need to first read the book. In this book, we can also make the planes. The planes paper are given in this box. See, I have already made it. See, I have already removed the parts also. See, this is my plane, which we can connect it here like this and shoot. It will fly. We can also use bullets to shoot. There are 2 bullets given. Now I will show you this plane launcher. This is the syringe where we use it to push this and then this lifts up and then it automatically shoots. See, I'll show you. First I'll put this plane. But first we should pull this. And we should not put our fingers so that our fingers should not get hurt. Because then if we leave this and put our fingers will get hurt. Come, now I'll show you how to fly this. See, I have put this plane. Now I have to push this. Let me show there. Come. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you see? In this, we can also shoot bullets. Now, we can also shoot plane and the bullets also. So, let me bring the plane first. See. But before we shoot, we have to pull this. So that when we lock this, this should get properly locked. Because now like this, if we do, then it will not get locked. Come, let's pull it. See? It came down. Now let's try flying both. First let's pull this. After we pull this, we have to push this down. So that it should be locked. See, it's locked. The bullets, we should not put the bullets here. We should put it here down. Under this part. See, we should put it inside and put the plane also. Let me shoot it there. Okay? Come. 3, 2, 1, shoot. See, the bullet also went and the plane also went. Did you like this video? Yes. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Smartivity. Bye.